snoring?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go back to sleep.
Do it again.
Sleep.
Back to sleep.
Night time.
Night time.
Night.
Night.
Night time.
Did you have a good nap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Can you want to nap?
Kitty wants a nap.
Huh? Huh? No. Wake up!
Oh, what? What? I was trying to sleep.
Let's see.
Go sleep?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jay!
I ain't gone to sleep yet. What?
Jay!
Yeah, what?
Go sleep on the floor.
You want me to sleep on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get down.
Are you going to sleep up here or are you going to sleep down there?
This one.
You want me to sleep on the floor?
Yeah.
Can I bring my pillow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring my little pillow.
Alright.
Wake up, Jay!
Huh? What? What? You go sleep.
Oh.
Oh.
Careful.
Stop playing.
Did you bump your head?
Yeah, that one's good.
It's on the bottom of the bed.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful.
Let's get a shot of some real
Hey.
stuff. What? Huh?
Hey, no.
What?
Bah.
Lay down.
Bah.
Oh. Oh. Go tuck yourself in again.
It was not time.
Just watch your head.
Huh?
Watch your head. Careful.
When?
There you go.
Go step on the floor. Not the floor. The pillow. Where's the pillow? Day. Day. I come. Sing and sing the grandma. I grandma. These shirts. That shirts paint. Got your paint. I do not. Down on the floor.
Are you gonna fall?
No. I'm gonna put my blanket down.
Kitty.
No, I'm gonna sleep in the on the floor, Jake. On the
I
floor.
want to sleep up here.
No,
You want to sleep on the floor?
no, we come down and get in there.
You're gonna get in the bag?
Hmm?
Are you gonna get in the bag?
No,
What are you doing?
and lay down. Come
You,
and lay down on the floor too.
you want me to come lay down on the floor with
Yeah.
you? Okay.
Bring a pillow.
Bring me that pillow.
Yeah. I'm sleepy.
Is that good?
Mhm.
Okay.
The blanket.
Is that your blanket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Come on.
Oh, here's mine. That's good. That's about right.
Now pan the feet. Pan the feet.
Okay. Here we go. Go lay down. Go lay down.
my feet. Hey, what's this?
Hey, what is that?
Hmm.
Oh, those are the wraps. Those are my knee wraps.
Boo! Go see, go see, go see.
Let's go sleep. Let's go sleep.
It's the dog.
Mm.
It's the doggy. It's the doggy here. I don't like the doggy and
Don't let the dog in.
don't let the dog in. Hey, Daddy, you sleeping?
Too bad she's not sleeping now.
Really glad.
Kitty wants to be on camera too. He's hogging the spotlight.
No.
Hey, you're interrupting my sleep. You know?
Go sleep.
Okay.
Hey, time. My doggy is sleeping right in there.
I thought it was sleep time. Let's go sleep. You keep waking me up. You keep waking me up.
Already.
Oh, you're up already.
Mia, put Jake in the claw.
Oh, me.
What's your dad? Hey, here's my flowers. Jake,
Where are your flowers?
right there is mine. My puddle,
Got a lot of stuff with you.
I spray outside. It's mine. This is mine.
Oh, it's yours? I thought that was my blanket.
Huh?
I thought that was my blanket.
No, your blanket right here.
Oh, it is? Oh, there's my blanket. Thank you.
To put in the feet.
Oh,
Put in my feet. Here. Put in my feet. Ah, yeah. This works. See? What this?
oh, okay.
Just zip. Just do it up. Stood up. We'll do the blanket up. Do the blanket up, Jake. Boo! Get down! I do laundry.
You're doing laundry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
I'll do my laundry too.
Sit down, bro.
Here we go. My laundry's all done.
Hmm?
I'm all done with my laundry.
And the laundry stuff out there.
It needs to be put out there.
Yeah.
Well, why don't you go put it out there?
I don't want it.
Oh, you don't want to? You want me to?
Hold on.
You gonna fold yours? I'll hold on. You gonna fold it?
Fold that more. Sure.
Here. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Here you go. There you go.
No, don't that. This is towel.
What?
What's it? No more do laundry. This is a blanket. This is a blanket. Let's do up. Thing. Oh, boo. What? I can't go under. His chair.